Yeah, hi everyone. I welcome everyone to Digital Reliability channel. So today we are going to discuss about automation of a small project which everyone tries to use it. I mean to say, see, every time we use system, I mean in Windows, every time we run some software applications, we are generally creating some temporary files which use some space. So cache file memory will be filled up because if we use multiple application and all, they will create some temporary files because of which cache memory will get filled up, and many other temporary files will also get created. So we need to remove that manually every time, at least periodically, depending on your usage. You need to remove them periodically. So generally, I'll tell you what are the files in general I used to remove. I generally used to remove four types of files for the purpose of clearing this temporary memory and all. We'll see how to remove that, and we'll also see how the automation process helps in removing that with very easy way. Okay. So to remove temporary files, I am going to remove four types of temporary files and cache files. So first one, I am removing. Now I just opened the program called run. In that, recent or the files which we have recently opened, for which some temporary files will get created. So I just typed the recent here. I click enter. So these are all shortcuts. You can see here. These are all not original files, so we can delete that. So just control here, shift delete. So this folder is again. We need to delete another types of files. Something called prefetch. There are also files which are not much useful, so we can remove that so that we can free up some space. So for that, it is asking for that file to open. It is asking some admin permission, so we are giving it. So you don't need to worry about these things. These are all okay to give permission. I have used this files, removed it many times, so no problem. You just control A, select all, shift delete. So I have removed it, all those files. Okay. So again, there is another category of files called temp. These are also temporary files. You can remove all these files also. So if some programs are running behind, which are being used, in that case it will show something like that. So I am skipping for those, all those things which are in use. Just skipping it. And another category of temporary files we need to remove is percentage temp percentage. So these are also we need to remove. So by removing all these files, you will get some memory freed up. It will help in speeding up the process. So this removing these files and all, you need to do periodically or regularly depending on your system usage. So I have decided to automate this process. For that, I have created a batch file which runs, which helps in deleting all those files which I have removed from. So you just need to download this file, run as admin, because if you see prefetch which we have opened through run command, it is asking for admin permissions, right? So for example, if I say prefetch, so already I have given no admin permissions once. That's why this time it didn't demanded admin permissions again. So if you want to run this file, you need to run as admin. Okay, you just need to run as administrator. It will ask for permissions as admin. Just give it. So it will open the window like this, and temporary files and recent files cleaned up successfully. You just press enter. That's it. It will clean everything. If you don't give admin permission and if you want to run it by double clicking it, it will ask. Now it will ask something like this. So please run this script as administrator. Press any key to continue. Okay. So again, you need to open it and you need to run it as administrator to make this file run. And some people might worrying about who don't know what is inside this file. So for that people, I'll just explain what are the commands inside it. Okay, just edit in Notepad. So here you can see just delete percentage temp files, delete temp files, delete prefetch, delete recent. That's it. Don't have any other things here. That's it. You don't need to worry about using this file. So I'm sharing this file in GitHub. I'll share the link in the description of this video. So you just download it. You can run it now, and in addition to the files running manually, it runs very fast. It really removes files in very less time than you might have removed manually. So I think it will be helpful to many. So anyone want it, you just go to my GitHub link, which I place in the description. You just download it and use it. Enjoy it. Thank you. Thanks to everyone. Bye. Hope my video is useful. And one more small thing I want to explain is, see, earlier we had discussed about this creating HTML page using GitHub. I mean, using some AI model. So you can use that creation of HTML page in a different way. Also, I'll just explain with some example. So I'm just using Gemini AI. And one more point is, this example I am using with Gemini AI as of now, but some AIs are not giving much good response. For example, I have tried in Copilot, but response in this way is not satisfactory through Copilot. So we'll use Gemini AI for this. Just uploading my resume. So here create HTML. PDF. Paste in Notepad and save as HTML. Okay. So it gave the HTML code for the resume what I have given. Just copy it, open Notepad, paste it, file save as. So we'll keep it in. So resume.html. So I have saved it. I just open this. See resume.html. See, resume has been created. Okay, so for that you can keep asking, changes. For example, you might say, you might ask, see, here in this here you continue to ask, but the oh, it's you to have orders. So now it will update the code again. So just close this one. Go here, edit in Notepad, edit in Notepad. Just copy here. So Control A, delete, Control save, close. Again go there. See, now you got borders. See, for technical you got border, for education you got, so work experience you got. See, likewise you need to keep on asking it, then you can update the web page in the way you want it. This is just an example. Okay? So this way you can keep updating. So that's what I mean by when I have explained about creating HTML page through Notepad and using AI models. So you can keep on improving it in the way you want it. So by by uploading a PDF resume, you can keep adjusting it in the until you want, until it came the way you want. So you can customize it fully. So that's what I mean when I have explained about creating HTML page using the AI. So that's it for today. Thanks for your time. Hope I made your time useful and helpful. Thank you. Bye.